Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to build the reference of a graphic object in WinCC OI version 3.21. Imagine you are drawing 200 motor or wall one by one. It's a very hard job, but if you use a graphic reference to do it, it's very easy and save time for you. Graphic reference think of as a master template. Let's get started. Okay. I still use my old project, butterfly wall. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Here. Last video, I created this butterfly wall animation. We can open. We close. So I want to create two. First, we should create object is a template. Okay. Go to the panel. Go to the save panel as. We choose objects. This folder. We new name, file name, reference, save. Okay. You can see in here is in the object is the folder have the reference. This one. Then we click reference. Then we go to edit. We choose edit panel script. In here, okay, is all the script for this project in here. Then we go to edit. We find the replace. In here, we should replace. Use system 1, common v1. Replace to $DP plus. Okay, is double quoting. Okay, here replace all. Here all the 6 replace. Okay, save, close. Then go to panel. We create a new panel. Test reference. Okay, we close. Test the reference. Double click reference. Speak. We drag reference. This one. Go to this in here. He ask in here value. We just create this DP $DP. Okay, parameter. Here value we choose v1. Okay. Second one, we choose v2. Okay. Then we go to the panel, go to the wall, we just create one v1. We create second one v2. Okay, apply, save, and running. But here just one is running. Let me see. Okay, open. Is v1 is running. Close. This one not running because we should use script to connection this v2. How to do this one? Go to butterfly script. We open this v1, this script copy. Then create a new one. Test. Okay. We open test. Delete the old one. We copy, paste all this one. Okay. So in here we changing. We can go to edit, find. Oh no, we just change it here. It's okay. v2. In here is v2. v2. In here is v2. Okay. It's system 1. v2, v2, v2. That's it. Save or close. Now we should drag the script is control manager. Okay, go here, in here. Okay, in here test. Okay, now running this one is a control manager. Okay, running. That's it. Now we can try. Look, here's v2 is running. Close. Open. v1. Open. Close. Okay. Close. Open. That's it. Okay. Today I just show you how to create object is a template. Okay, in here template. Okay, that's it. It's a keyword just in here. In here, edit. Edit panel script. In here, use editor. Use here, find replace. In here, okay, you should find the system 1 v1 replace $dp plus quarter, double quarter. Okay, all the same thing here, all the changing, then replace all the stuff. Okay, thank you very much.